Hey guys, welcome to Cookin' with Becky. We're gonna give you a rundown of everything inside and out on Kooks headers and exhaust.
Am I allowed to touch it? I don't know.
So this is engine 7/8. So this guy here is our tube laser. All of our circular material that you will see used on our header primaries and all of our exhaust parts are gonna be cut on this bad boy right here. So they're gonna be cut to length, and you're gonna see this raw material going through each of the manufacturing processes to get you your finished product. So after the tube cutting process, our next stop is our mandrel bend machines. We have both hydraulic and this machine, which is one of our electric mandrel bend machines. And here in the center is the actual mandrel itself, which is inserted into the length of whatever tube is being bent on this machine. What that does is it stabilizes the tube, locks it in place, and then all of the bend tooling around these pieces on the side right here are gonna hold it in place and move the metal whichever direction it is programmed to move in. After which time we're gonna remove the pieces, bring them to their fixtures, and check them for accuracy before we send them off to welding. When we do these bends is to prevent the bends from almost crimping and causing edges that reduce flow. So it's kind of minor, but you can see it right in there. Without a mandrel, the metal itself is disrupted. We want as smooth of a bend as possible for maximum exhaust flow. All right, so this is the V-tube laser. So this is a scanner up here. All of our data for each of our bends, for every header and every exhaust that goes out the door, has specific data loaded in here. So after we have double checked all of our data, done our scans, our benders bring our primary tubes or our exhaust tubes over to the appropriate fixture. So again, we are circling back to fixtures. These are a crucial part of our manufacturing process. So over here, we're checking to make sure that all of these are level and sitting nicely in each of their individual fixture nests, as we like to call them. We want everything to sit down in those specific spots because those are the clearances on the car. We design these fixtures to imitate exactly where steering shafts or AC lines or other components on the vehicle are, so that way we can come over here, check, make sure it's going to fit in the vehicle properly, and then they're going to move over to welding after this.